G'day, Phil here, and I am standing in my kitchen. I need to mop. Not too exciting, but I thought I would 3D print a GoPro mount and see if I could get some cool time-lapse footage from my Robot Mop. GoPro mount base. Aha. Well, I accidentally selected the wrong print and got halfway through and realized that I was printing out the previous thing that I printed on the printer. I was wondering why it was a little bit thin. Oh well, second time's a charm. Now that the proper print is finally done, we can see if it actually works with the GoPro mount. Came off pretty easily because I let the bed cool down first. Oh, raft. Oops. Killed the velociraptor. Okay, let's have a look. Hey, not bad at all. Alright, let's stick this down to the mop. I have to say, I'm actually really impressed with how this turned out. My little, well, not so little, Creality CR10 Mini did a really good job. I was actually kind of thinking these overhanging bits here would not turn out properly. They look a little messy from underneath, but clearly the clip goes in just fine, so good job, Creality. Not sure yet if I want to make this permanent, so I'm just going to use some Loctite, I think they call it Fun Putty or Fun Tack, or I don't know, it's a mounting putty of some sort. Back in Australia we used to call this stuff blue tack. Anyway, I don't know how to use it properly, but we'll squish it on here. Good old Roomba. Oh wait, that's not a Roomba, it's a Braava Jet, sorry. Ooh, that's not squishing down very flat at all. Okay, 1 second. And now we'll just put the GoPro on. Just checking out the field of view here. So just tighten that up. So, oh, that's not sticking very well at all. Ah, bugger. I think that will have to do. I think it's going to come off. But only one way to find out. Alright, I have the sweeping pad on here and the GoPro ready to go in time warp mode. Hopefully it goes in a straight line instead of back and forth like it does when it's mopping. And there's a non-zero chance that this footage makes me a little sick. So, we'll see. Record. Go. Oh, whoops. Go. Oh, someone's leaving the scene of the crime. Track down, track down. You did well, little fella. Look, I am honestly surprised at how well both that 3D print went and the footage turned out. I guess you can judge for yourself, but jeez, I was pretty blown away. It was so smooth. Kudos to GoPro for their time warp capabilities, their stabilization in the new Hero 8. Yeah, my mind's blown. Also, the 3D print, I can't believe that worked first time when I got the right printout. I'll put a link in the description to the Thingiverse file for that, so that the author of that 3D model gets credit. They did a great job. It was perfect, absolutely perfect. This has been a pretty quick and dirty video. I sort of just shot it chronologically, on the fly, no scripting, nothing like that, no special lighting except for the time-lapse, and just sort of as things came up. So, it was a bit of an experiment to see how it went and to see if it works, trying to edit it in one day. We'll see how that actually turns out, fingers crossed. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed it, provided something interesting, and hopefully you'll subscribe if you feel the need. And hopefully see you next time. Cool, thanks. Bye.